How to connect fume extraction torch, fume extraction device, and welding machine. Connect the fume extraction tube to the fume extraction device. Connect the back hole of the fume extraction torch to the welding machine. Connect the fume extraction tube to the fume extraction torch. Connect the torch as plug to the welding machine, which can be linked with the torch. Connect the welding machine to the 220 volts power supply and turn it on. Adjust the parameters on the fume extraction device. Prepare to start welding. Fume extraction effect comparison. Fume extraction device constantly protect the welder's respiratory system, reduce the environmental pollution, best choice of healthier and environmental.